we are kicking things off with the weather in Vermont and northern New York. NBC5 meteorologists are tracking rounds of rain from Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday, and we have the exact arrival times for those showers, downpours, and thunderstorms coming your way. Plus, we'll tell you exactly when to expect those heavy rain events so you can prepare for what's coming.
Stop using your finger for notes, sketches, and edits. This Jam Jake stylus pen gives your iPad a smoother, more precise writing feel with palm rejection so your hand can rest naturally on the screen. It charges fast, works for hours, and comes with replacement tips. Perfect for school, work, or creative projects. Check the link in the comments to grab it on Amazon.
Next up, we head to North Georgia where a serious storm threat is returning this Wednesday. Fox 5 storm team meteorologist Joanne Feldman is sounding the alarm about damaging wind gusts and heavy rainfall that could cause localized flash flooding across north and central Georgia. We break down the specific risks and exactly how much rain the region could see over the next few days. The danger isn't just localized. The threat is spreading across the southeast. We look at the severe weather threat targeting areas from Tennessee to Texas, with Birmingham, Jackson, Shreveport, and Waco being the most at risk. We're talking about hail larger than golf balls, damaging winds, and even the potential for strong tornadoes late Wednesday into Thursday. And finally, let's check in on the weather in the nation's capital. Fox 5 DC reports a sunny and warm Tuesday, but rain is moving in early Wednesday morning, with showers potentially lingering into Thursday. We'll give you the full forecast so you know exactly when to expect those rain bands and when the sun is finally coming back. Stay with us for the rest of the forecast. NBC5 meteorologists are tracking an active weather pattern across Vermont and northern New York, with rounds of rain, showers, and thunderstorms expected from Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday. View the accompanying video for specific arrival times for these weather events in the region. Beyond the immediate rain, a period of cooler-than-average weather is forecast to persist through the late week, with daytime high temperatures expected to remain in the 50s and low 60s. While some isolated showers are possible on Saturday, conditions are trending toward drier patterns leading up to Mother's Day. Residents are urged to stay weather-aware. For the most current local coverage, viewers can access updates via the My NBC5 app. For the most accurate forecast, specifically for Vermont and northern New York, NBC5 news streaming is recommended. Updates and alerts are also available through NBC5 News social media channels, including Facebook, X, and Instagram, and by following the NBC5 First Warning Weather team. Storm threat returns to North Georgia this Wednesday, bringing heavy rain and potential for severe weather through early Thursday, according to the Fox 5 storm team. North and central Georgia are expected to remain warm and mostly quiet through Tuesday before the slow-moving storm system develops. The primary concerns highlighted by meteorologist Joanne Feldman's Center on damaging wind gusts and heavy rainfall. While the threat of hail and tornadoes is considered low, it is not zero. Feldman emphasized that the greater risk is localized flash flooding, as heavy rain could cause significant inundation even without severe thunderstorm warnings. Regional impact is expected to be significant, as the rainfall is anticipated to help reduce the region's growing deficit. Forecasts suggest that many areas could receive around 2 inches of rain, with some locations potentially approaching 3 inches, particularly from Wednesday night through Thursday. The timeline indicates that most of Wednesday daytime will be dry, though isolated storms could develop by late morning or afternoon. The main line of storms is projected to arrive Wednesday evening, potentially impacting metro Atlanta around 8 p.m., with the most severe weather threat tapering off overnight, though the rain is expected to persist. Scattered showers and storms may linger into Thursday morning before clearing later in the day. Temperatures will remain warm ahead of the system, with highs near 80 degrees today and Wednesday, and morning lows trending into the 60s on Wednesday. Following the system, cooler air is expected to move in, bringing highs down to the low to mid-70s for the second half of the week. Rain chances are set to return over the weekend and into early next week, maintaining an unsettled pattern. A significant severe weather threat is moving across the southern United States, targeting regions from Tennessee to Texas. According to the latest forecast from the Weather Channel, the severe weather system is shifting slightly to the southeast, but areas across the corridor remain under watch. The primary areas of concern include major metropolitan areas and cities such as Birmingham, Jackson, Shreveport, and Waco. Residents in these regions should prepare for hazardous conditions developing late Wednesday into Wednesday night. The threat encompasses several hazards: the possibility of hail larger than golf balls, damaging winds, and a few tornadoes, which could potentially be strong. Additionally, heavy rain is anticipated, increasing the risk of flash flooding. The advisory urges the public to monitor the hour-by-hour forecast for the most up-to-date details on the developing situation. Washington, residents in the Washington, D.C. region can anticipate a warm and sunny Tuesday, with temperatures expected to reach near 86 degrees. The day will feature clear and dry skies, with temperatures starting in the 50s and low 60s, though a mix of sun, clouds, and breezy conditions is forecast. This will be the warmest day of the week. However, the weather is set to change by Wednesday. Rain is expected to move in early Wednesday morning and persist intermittently throughout the day, bringing cooler temperatures. While not expected to be a washout, showers may continue into the evening, with the possibility of thunderstorms developing Wednesday evening. Wednesday's high temperature is projected to be in the mid-70s. Thursday will see scattered showers lingering into the morning before conditions gradually improve, with highs dropping to around 62 degrees. Looking ahead, the 7-day forecast indicates sunshine returning on Friday with highs in the low 70s. The weekend is anticipated to be pleasant, featuring a brief chance of a shower on Saturday, followed by sunshine on Mother's Day, when temperatures are expected to rebound to near 80 degrees. This forecast information is sourced from the Fox 5 Weather Team and the National Weather Service.